In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom Video Recorder. By the end, you'll feel confident opening Loom, setting up your camera and microphone, and starting a clean screen recording without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to Loom's homepage. When your dashboard loads, you'll see an option labeled Record a Video. This is your starting point. Before you click it, take a quick moment to close any unrelated tabs and silence notifications. It helps keep your recording focused and distraction-free. Go ahead and click Record a Video. Loom will prepare the recorder and present recording modes such as screen and camera together, just your screen, or just your camera. Choose the mode that suits your purpose. For tutorials and walkthroughs, screen and camera is a great pick because your viewers can see both your content and your face for added clarity and connection. Next, allow and choose your camera. Your browser may prompt you to grant permission. Approve that, then select the correct camera from the drop-down, especially if you have multiple devices or a virtual camera installed. Position yourself in the frame with a bit of space above your head and check your lighting. Facing a soft light source or a window usually looks best. If you don't need your camera on, select screen-only mode to keep the focus on what you're showing. Now, allow and choose your microphone. Again, grant permission when your browser asks, then pick the mic you actually want to use. Built-in mics work in a pinch, but if you have an external microphone or headset, select it here for clearer audio. Speak a sentence and watch the input meter bounce. Aim for clear peaks without hitting the maximum. Reduce background noise by closing doors, turning off fans, and keeping your device on a stable surface. When everything looks and sounds good, click Start Recording. If you have more than one monitor, Loom will prompt you to choose which screen to capture. Select the specific screen or window you want to show to keep things tidy. After you confirm, you'll see a short